Hey, what's up? It's Ike Pause. Today I'm going to show you how to drill down and find those very small, tiny, sub-niche keywords that are very low competition, yet garner a good amount of free buyer search traffic on the Amazon KDP platform. Not only that, I'm going to show you how to create these types of products so that you can upload them and start selling them ASAP. Now, if you haven't profited online before and you're struggling to do so, you got to watch this video until the very end and get started. Okay, before we begin, make sure you check out the link below and access and download, I should say, my entire Amazon KDP crossword keyword money list for free, okay? This will give you a good understanding of the types of crossword niches that are out there, okay? But also, I'm going to show you how to create a crossword puzzle book really fast. That's really important. I'm also going to show you how to upload it to the Amazon KDP network and position yourself so that you get that free buyer traffic, okay? And also some relatively easy SEO that you can apply, okay? On-page SEO. Don't worry, it's not difficult. Just make sure you check out the information below. Now, what I'm going to show you in this video is a really important skill and technique that you can apply to any type of product that you're gonna host, or I should say list on a third-party platform such as Amazon. Okay, remember, people are not buying from you, they're buying off of Amazon, so you don't have to build any authority. That's one of the beautiful things or beautiful points of Amazon and sites like Etsy. Okay, now check this out. I got the word crossword up here, right? Let me expand on that. You see crossword. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually copy this. I'm going to ignore these autofill keywords for right now. Okay, I'm going to put in a subject or a theme that I think my audience might be interested in, right? Or I should say my specific audience might be interested in. So if I put in dog, we have dog crossword puzzles, okay? Crossword puzzles for dog lovers, okay? Very niche specific. As you can see here, only a result count of 106. This is a very small niche, yet people are looking for this particular book. And the cool thing is, it's really easy to create these types of small books, okay? So we only have one result here. It has 10 reviews, okay? Let me open that up. Let's scroll down to the bottom, okay? So people are buying this, so that's really good information. 110 pages. That's, I think, is way too big, okay? You should keep your book, especially these types of puzzle books, crossword puzzle books, coloring books, you should keep it under 40, okay? Because people don't want a Bible coming to their door and then working on a Bible, okay? A giant book. You don't want to create these, trust me, okay? Don't overwhelm your audience, okay? More is not always better. Really important point. Okay, so if you scroll down, you'll see that there aren't, we have another one. It has only 1 star, so this is a poor quality one. Look at the cover, it doesn't look so good at all. So you see I have a modifier, dog lovers, okay? So I wanna delete this. I wanna find another type of niche, okay? What I'm gonna do is in front of this crossword, I'm gonna add in holidays. Like let's put in Halloween. Halloween, and again, we have a ton of different keywords. Halloween crossword puzzle for kids. Let's go with Halloween crossword puzzle book because we are going to create a book for kids. Let's click on that. And this has over 8,000. This is not a good sign. You want to keep your result count under 1,000, please, for this type of technique that I'm showing you here. So maybe we can get more specific with Halloween. Let's put ghost. Let's see if ghost is an actual niche. Let me remove all of this. And we have, nothing of the sort. Let's put in vampire. Sorry, vampire. Vampire Diaries crossword puzzle. Vampire Hunter, the crossword for adults. Now, Vampire Diaries crossword puzzle would be something that you might want to go after, but Vampire Diaries is copyright. That's an actual TV show, so I would stay away from that. Okay, if it was Dracula, it'd be a different story. Let's go back to our root word crossword. Let's put in some other subjects such as U.S. Okay, the United States. U.S. history crossword puzzle books for adults. Very long tail keyword. Very nice. 884 results. That's under 1,000. Okay. We can see here. This is a. Is this sponsored? Or is this organic? Yes, this is not sponsored. This is an organic result, and they have over 227 reviews. People are buying this. The next one down is 138. The next one down is 7. This is a great market. I highly recommend you can by all means take this niche. I'm actually in a similar crossword puzzle niche. I'm not going to give away the niche that I'm in, but very close to this. Okay, let's go back to our root keyword. Crossword. Let's put in, what else can we put in? Let's put in animal. Sorry. Let's see what the autofill gives us. Animal crossword puzzles for adults, for kids. Okay. And we can see here, these are sponsored. So we want to ignore the sponsored ones. They're paying for this. So let's go to the first organic one. This one is being sold. You can see that it has a BSR, which is cool. Okay. This one also is National Geographic's. Okay. We can't go after National Geographic's because that belongs to a company. So no. Brain puzzles for kids. So, no one is actually targeting. Here you go. Animal crossword. Again, this one's being sold. It has a BSR. It doesn't have any reviews, but it is being sold because it has this BSR number. And how many searches? How many results? Over 5,000. I would stay away from this personally. I want to be more specific. But definitely, if you want to spend money on advertising, and I spend money on advertising almost every day, I wouldn't mind going after this. But if you just want a free organic search, I would stick to under 1,000. So I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to go after a really cool new niche I found that I'm going to share with you. Cuss word crossword. Adult crossword puzzle book with cuss words. Okay, this is under 1,000. Really good. You can see that this person here is sponsored, so we're going to ignore them. They're an advertisement. The next one down is a cuss word crossword puzzle. 52 reviews. It has a BSR, of course, of 8,000. That's great. This is selling every day. Okay. Again, crossword puzzle. Crossword puzzles. It has over almost 600 reviews. This is, they're selling, of course, as a BSR. Dirty words. Let's put in dirty words. Dirty words. Cross. See, so you can also find niches this way. Crossword. Dirty word crossword. Dirty word search. Okay, this is a different type of puzzle book we can create. Okay, but I want to stick to crossword puzzles. Okay, let's try different events in history. Let's put in World War II crossword puzzle for adults. Okay, again, these are selling well. Okay, so we got, this niche has under 1,000, and these books are already selling. Okay, so you want to go after these types of niches. Okay, let's go after another one. Let's put in what's another type of thing or subject. Put in car. Here we go. Car crossword puzzle book for adults. Easy crossword. Plane, train, car. Okay, we have some more niches. Plane, train, car. Car lovers, car buffs. Let's go with car crossword first. A nice long tail keyword. Again, result count under 1,000. And we have the first one at the top here is 200, around 200 reviews. They have a BSR, so it's selling. This one here, it expands not only cars but trains and planes. Car word search. Okay, so this is another great niche I'm giving away to you right here, right now. Now, if you don't know how to create your crossword puzzle book quickly and easily, make sure you check out the information below. and I will give you access to that information. Okay, let me know what you think down below. If you like this tutorial guide, modify your keywords, find those tiny niches, and start earning online. Okay, be good, take care, and have a wonderful day.